Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix the first Descendant is stuck at 60 FPS. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, in game, what you need to do here, you need to go to options, then go to graphics and make sure that maximum frame rate here is unlimited here, right? And the next step, what you need to do here, then close the game and here, let's confirm. Need to wait for a couple of seconds and then I will show you what you need to do here next. Right click, open up, show more options, open up NVIDIA control panel. And on NVIDIA control panel, you need to go to change resolution and make sure select the right monitor that you're using while playing the game. Make sure the max hertz is selected. Then go to manage 3D settings, program settings, add program, and select the first Descendant. Add, and then scroll down until you see max frame rate and make sure this option on off, or if it's on, just select the same amount that your monitor can support, right? And press OK, apply the changes, and that's should uncap your FPS. So yeah, that's pretty much it.